Locking down Windows 10 so you can only install apps from inside the Windows Store is relatively straightforward. Just go to Settings, go to Apps, and you'll see this drop-down menu, Installing Apps. By default, it's set up so you can install apps from anywhere, but there's also an option so you can get a warning when trying to install apps from outside of the Windows Store. However, it will still let you install apps. The final option, and the one we want, is Allow apps from the store only. To see how this works, this is what happens when you try to install a copy of VLC Media Player that's been downloaded from outside of the Windows Store. You can see this warning message, and you get a recommendation of a similar app inside the store, along with a link to take you to get the app. And that's how it works. Now, this feature isn't currently found inside Windows 10, but is expected to be added with the Creators Update, which is due to arrive within the next couple of months.